Okay, gonna make how to make a natural cleaning stuff. It's just a dishwashing soap and a white vinegar. I use this one, but so I have this sprayer. And put this one here. As you can see, and mix this one with almost this is how I clean our CRs, our bathroom with the tiles. It's really nice. It's shiny, shimmering, and it smells good. Put all the way here. As you can see, it's bubbling because of the soap. So you're almost all the way to the end. And this is the dishwashing soap. I normally use lemon flavor. It's kind of a lemon or calamansi. I like this one. I don't really use antibac, but because I'm allergic, but something. But oh, and you have to put all the way there until it's full. So the vinegar just here, and the soap, the dishwashing soap is here. You can see just until it's not really much. Then so it's more in vinegar, but it's not a lot of dishwashing soap. So you can see, just close, don't shake it, because it will be bubbling like so. You just move slow like that. Again, you do like that. Just like kind of mixing it. And if you have a dirty, very dirty CR, you just spray it all around the ball, the, what do you call it, hand wash, somewhere there. And you spray all around in your CR and wait for 30 minutes, and you just scrub it, either a sponge or a brush, this one. But you have to use only for the CR, okay? Don't use this for my kitchen. But when you spray, and after that you scrub it, you don't have to do it harder because the vinegar is very powerful. And then once it's done, as you can see, it's really shiny, clean, it smells good. But yeah, and also I use that one for to kill cockroach or any centipedes. You just spray until they can't move, and they will die actually. And you don't have to chase the cockroach, you just spray them. And that's it. There's 3 things to do. You have a dishwashing soap, vinegar, the white vinegar, and sprayer. Find a good one. So yeah, and that's it. It's really nice. I use this for everything. I use it for natural cleaning. I can't use bleach because I'm very allergic with smells, and once I use it, my nose will be dripping. But this one, I've been using this even I was used to clean in Florida as a cleaning business. I used to have it, and I always use this one, and every of my clients, they love it. I was like, what I did, it's just natural. It's really shiny, and it's clean, and it's just make it white. Yeah, if you want natural cleaning, you can use it. You have a choice, but this one I've used, and I would like you guys to share it so that you can have an idea. and I would love to share what I learned. So I hope you enjoy it.